Okay, anyway. Focusing. Okay. Hello there, storytellers, and welcome to another RP Weekly minisode. Today in this video, I want to talk about getting traffic to your roleplay, getting it noticed. How are we going to do it? Well, I'm going to share some stuff with you that I have in my brain. Keep in mind that these tips are not just for getting new members. I do honestly believe these will help you maintain your roleplay and keep it around longer, keep people interested. First little mini topic, functionality. What is the user experience? In marketing, we call this the customer's journey. You know, the journey of the person when they find your promo post to when they get onto your blog and explore that journey. Is the information where you say it will be? Do your links work? How easy is it for them to navigate from point A to B to C? Make sure someone can get from your homepage to your full navigation page, and make sure that navigation page is clean and organized in some fashion. And by clean and organized, I mean most people have it set where you have a category of before applying, you have after applying, and then you kind of have all the tidbits and the extra stuff there afterwards. The second topic, appearance. Remember that not everyone is viewing your roleplay blog from the same screen. So choose a theme that is responsive. And by that I mean it adapts to the computer or the browser or the mobile device that's being used. You can easily check this out when you go to your own phone and try and find your blog. Don't make things too flashy or too bright, because not only does it not help those that suffer from seizures, I think that's the correct wording of how to say that, but also it just kind of looks tacky and it's kind of annoying in these days, especially with Tumblr ads. Use a readable and web-friendly font. This is very important because I am getting older, and while my eyesight is not necessarily, doesn't require me to have glasses all the time, I do hate small font. And I've been finding a lot lately in the RPC that many people are feeling the same way. It also does not help those that have accessibility needs. So, be mindful. Third topic, cleanliness. Are the important things where they should be? Most important. It kills me every time I go to click a link and nothing's there, or the wrong information is there. If someone were to read your RP description blurb, the one that you either put on your actual description for your blog or in the theme, you put it in the box that's somewhere up top, when they read that, is it clear what to expect from the roleplay plot? Cleanliness also applies to negative messages. While I do believe that there is a positive thing that can come from constructive criticism, I also know how hateful and childish that the internet and especially the roleplay community can be. A good rule of thumb that I have learned is to either not answer those messages or don't answer them publicly. The worst thing for me is going to an RP blog and the first impression I get is seeing a lot of negative messages. And while obviously not every negative message is going to be like a truth about that roleplay, it doesn't enforce a positive experience. Finally, in terms of cleanliness, I kind of snuck this one in here. The RPC talks, so make sure you're encouraging a positive out-of-character culture. You know how, millennials talk these days about a positive work culture. The reason brands are showcasing their employees so much online is because they want to show you that they have cool culture in the office. It's very similar to that, though a little bit less public, I feel, because it's more of just behind the scenes messages that are occurring in the RPC. And my final topic, And my final topic is timeliness. First of all, show you're committed. If you gain nothing from this video, but this one thing, I'll be happy. Show you're committed, and you'll get committed role players. That's it. That's the secret to role-playing right there, and adminning. I really think that's it. Are you responding at a reasonable rate? In modern times, we're a very immediate, results-driven group of people, and while I do believe that the RPC tends to be more tolerable and lenient to late responses, especially considering there's an explanation given usually, there is always going to be a limit to how long people are willing to wait. Make sure you're available to answer questions, post an app count update, or showcase your activity as an admin. Now, if you've been paying any attention, you'll notice that the first letter of each topic spells a word, fact. That's because they are all proven facts of the internet, not just for Tumblr roleplays, but also for marketing in general, which is kind of my thing outside of doing these videos. So that is all that I have for you today on how to get your RP noticed, how to bring in more traffic to it. I hope that you've learned something from this. If you have any comments, questions, suggested topics, be sure to head on down to the comments below, because I will be impatiently waiting for someone to interact with me and have a conversation with me. But while you're down there, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button so that you can become part of the Storyteller squad. And as always, thank you for watching, and keep on shining, Storytellers.